Good afternoon. Standard 10, subject English. Yesterday we learned a part on this lesson 1.2, an encounter of a special kind. We learned it. Today I give you a passage on questions. So read the passage carefully and complete the activities. A1, simple factual activities. State whether the following statements are true or false. A big male langur did not intend to kill the baby langur. Second sentence, the writer started throwing more stones at the big langur. Third sentence, the mother langur was watching her baby being killed. Fourth sentence, according to the custom of animal clan, a dominant male protects another male baby or adult. Second question, choose correct reasons from the given options. The writer ignored the commotion of stray dogs. There are four alternatives options. Find out correct options from these four options. Then second sentence, the language did not take notice of the writer's puzzle. There are 4 points there, 4 options there. Find out correct options from the book. Now passage number 2, page number 8, 9. Suddenly I heard a group raised their pitch of cry up to it. A2, complex factual activity. What wicked custom is practiced by animals who live in groups? Then, second question, what did the writer see on the roof of the clubhouse? Third question, what did writer do to restrain the big langur from killing the baby langur? So, this is the question. Next one is, write in your own words, why did the narrator ignore the barking of dogs? So, these are 4 questions in this question. Now, A3, activity based on vocabulary. Match the phrases given in column A with their meaning in column B. A column, to take notice of. Second, what the better of. Third, pitch of cry. And fourth, was going on. In B column, overpowered someone. B, was happening. C, to observe and give attention. And D, a high sound of cry. So, then next question, write from the passage the antonyms of the following. Mercifully, submissive, recognize, and fourth word is greater. Write from the passage. Now A4, activity based on contextual grammar. Change the tenses as per the instructions. First sentence, I heard a group of street dogs barking. Rewrite the sentence in present continuous tense. Then second sentence, the big male langur was holding a baby langur in his hands. Rewrite the sentence in past perfect continuous tense. So this is these are 2 sentences here in this question. Now second point is that, do as directed. I started throwing more stones, begin with more stones were dash bracket complete. Second sentence, it hardly took notice of my assault. Make this as a negative sentence. So A5, personal response. Do you think that the custom of baby killing by dominant male in animal clan is good? Explain. This is the personal response A5. So solve this passage in your notebook as well as in your workbook by Hartley and read it by Hartley. So we stop here.